Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another tutorial. In this lesson we're going to be adding audio to the player health script. And as you can notice, I've also got the enemy AI script open as well, so if you haven't already done so, please go ahead and open that script now. And in this script we're going to do the audio in 3 different ways. Now, I know that normally you would do audio in one set way, like we did within the enemy AI. Every audio block is the same and we just swapped out the variables and changed the looping. But because this is a tutorial, I thought I'd show you different ways of doing it, and obviously you can use whichever one you want. So first things first, let's create some public audio clips. And the first one we'll call underscore player def audio. We'll close the line off. Straight into the comments. Create slot in inspector to assign player def audio. And we'll just copy this line and we'll paste it in twice more, and we'll swap the naming convention. So the next one will be underscore player hurt audio, and the next one will be underscore health pack pickup audio. And we'll just go ahead and we'll change the comments. So we can just change it to hurt here. And we'll replace all of that with health pack pickup audio. And we'll just save that off there. Now obviously you can go ahead and assign whatever audio clips you'd like to the slots in the inspector here. And now we'll handle the audio itself. So 3 different ways. The first way, if we come inside the player dying block, and I'm coming right to the top here, just below the debug, and we can just copy one of the audio blocks from the enemy AI. And we'll paste that in there. So as I'm sure you guessed, we're going to swap out the naming convention. So I'll just copy where it says player def audio and we'll just paste it in 3 times, and we'll change the looping to false. And I'll just bring the comments back into line, and then we'll just alter the comments. So here we'll change if the audio does not equal the def audio. We stop the audio clip that's playing. We say the audio clip does equal the def audio. We'll say here not to loop, and then we'll change that to def there, and we'll just save that off again. Now for the other 2 blocks we're going to do in this lesson, you can do the audio like this, but we're going to do 2 other different ways. So the first one, let's come to the apply damage to player function, and I'm going to come right below the debug log again, and as always we'll get the component. In brackets we want to get the audio source, and we'll open and close brackets. We'll say dot, and we want the play one shot. We'll open and close brackets, we'll close the line off, and inside the brackets we'll say underscore player hurt audio, and we'll put this into the comments. So we'll say we'll say play the player hertz audio. So we're getting the component, we're getting the audio source, we're saying play one shot, which means play once of this audio clip. Now if you wanted to use this line for the player dying, that's fine. Just delete this block, copy this line into the player dying block, and just change out the variable. And then we'll come to the replenish health, and we are going to be at the top. There's nothing else in this block as yet, and we're going to say if open brackets underscore health pack pickup audio, and we're going to use the exclamation mark equals, which means does not equal. That's what that means, does not equal. Null, close brackets will open and close. So if we have a health pack audio assigned in the inspector, so in the slot that this creates, then we can play an audio clip. And again we'll use the get component, and we want to get of type audio source. We'll open and close dot clip equal, and the clip's going to equal the health pack pickup audio. We'll close the line off, then we'll get component again in the brackets of type audio source, open and close dot, and then we want to play that clip. We'll open and close, we'll close the line off. So let's put this into the comments so you can see how it works. So we'll say if the health pack pickup audio does not equal null, and we'll put in brackets, we have an audio clip assigned, we'll come to the next line, then audio clip equals, and we want the health pack pickup, and then all we're doing in this line is saying play health pack pickup audio clip, and we'll save that off there. So there's you go, there's 3 different ways of doing audio, and you can pick one and use it for each of the blocks, and just remember to change out the variables. Any one of the 3 will work fine, but as I said, because this is a tutorial series, I thought it would be good to show you different ways in which audio can be applied to the script. And we'll leave it here for this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope to see you next time, and until then, bye for now.